Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. Today, I'm going to be talking about what I see coming down the pipe and the fact that I'm going to be I will not be doing videos for the rest of the week. Only private videos, and I won't be doing another video until June the 6th. And I won't be doing it once a week from now on. And the reason why is because what I see coming is basically confiscation, uh, uh, basically financial asset confiscation, and which will lead to obviously cryptocurrency confiscation, most likely. And the reason why I see that is because right now, as we have it, the Federal Reserve and most central banks around the world are purchasing financial assets such as securities, which are stocks, and bonds, of course, because they do not want asset prices to fall. They are afraid of deflation, and they need a solution to that. And the only solution that's left that I see is if they purchase all financial assets and reprice them. This is not done without precedent. This is not unprecedented. United States has done exactly that when gold was backing all financial instruments, and so what they did was purchased all the gold and then repriced it, thus eliminating their debt burden. This will have the same effect. They'll be able to purchase all assets, financial assets, especially since most of them are digital and easy to confiscate. Well, not confiscate, but nationalize. Meaning, nationalization means that all they're doing is purchasing the assets from you and giving you cash. Now, if you're thinking, well, no way, no way, no way, D. All right, fine. But consider that one, right now they're purchasing those financial assets and bailing out the rich, and they can sell it as, hey, well, you know what? We're bailing out these rich guys so they can put gas in their jets. So we want to bail you out by purchasing your financial assets at full price, and then this way you'll be able to put gas in your car and pay your bills, right? And that's how they'll sell it. And it's going to be different. You might say, well, what about physical assets like cars, homes, and businesses? How are they going to reprice that? How are they going to resell those things? And especially since they're bankrupt, right? Well, it's not going to be simple. Don't have all the answers. That's going to be very difficult for them to pull off. I agree. But they will come up with some sort of solution, and I don't know how they're going to do that with physical assets. But with digital assets, such as bitcoins and your debt and cryptocurrencies, that's quite easy to reprice, right? Especially if they own it all, right? Through nationalization. And so what I don't see happening is that they actually force you to give up those assets and sell them to them. What they'll probably do is anywhere it's totally held, they'll purchase it. So, for example, if you have a 401k, you have an RRA, you have any kind of custodial held asset that they can seize through the custodian, they will not seize but purchase from you. They'll always say purchase, right? What they'll have is they're going to have a bank holiday. They're going to freeze all prices and purchase it at the last price. Now, of course, not everyone will fall in line. There will be massive repricing in certain areas around the world, especially with places that don't agree to doing this. And then also, of course, there'll be decentralized exchanges that are currently operational, and you'll see prices just go crazy. Certain assets, of course, probably that can be frozen will be frozen, such as USDT. Yeah, so there you go. You will have you will see those things get bought up, and in my opinion, I think that's what's coming. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know for sure, but that's what I see coming, and that's what I'm preparing for. So that's why I'm going to hunker down, work on Pandora's wallet, so that I can get as much as I possibly can off of the exchanges, because I'm starting to get nervous here, starting to feel like something is big's coming. And it might not be that. I might be completely off, but I know something big's coming for sure, because they cannot continue the way they are. So I'm going to get away from social media, cut off all the YouTube viewing, right? I realize that I've been watching YouTube way too much. When I watched my brother's last video, and he said that, you know what, he cut off all the social media and YouTube, because he realized that he was actually taking a waterproof speaker into the shower to listen to the next YouTube video. And I realized I was doing the same thing, and I was one up at him. I have a sauna. I was taking my iPad into the sauna to listen to YouTube videos. So I know I've gone way off the deep end as well. So I'm going to take a break from all that and focus on building and protecting my wealth and protecting the wealth of others that have helped me build this system. So I'm gonna be that's all I'm gonna be focused on. So if you want to ask me questions about this video and about what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, and more questions about what I see coming, the way you can get a hold of me, the best way to get a hold of me is through the Telegram group in the Pandora's Wallet subscription. I will be answering all of your questions through that medium. So if you don't have a Pandora's Wallet subscription, that's the best way to do it. You can always just purchase 1 month subscription, or a 3 month subscription. You don't have to go for 1 full year. And yeah, you'll have direct access to me. The best thing you should do if you want that access right away is to make sure you follow the instructions exactly and do it right, because we have a bot that brings you into the channel automatically. If you do everything, you follow the video instructions that are laid out. Once you pay for your subscription and you enter in your Telegram group user ID. So make sure you follow those instructions correctly, so that you don't miss out a minute of time, because you'd have to call support, and it will take some time before we actually get you into the group. So make sure you do it correctly. And then, of course, I'm still gonna be doing videos, for private videos for the Pandora's Wallet Telegram group. So I do that every Sunday for everybody, and I will be continuing that. The next video will be June the 6th with Inti, and then I will only be doing them once a week on the weekends from then on, just to focus on what on Pandora's Wallet, and not on what's going on, because I'm done. I've seen I've done enough research. I know what's happening. I believe I'm doing the right thing here, and I'm going to go do it now. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on June the 6th. Cheers.